guys, we are going to downtown Miami Beach, passing toll right about now. It's Key Biscayne Beach. We are about to get on this high bridge. That bridge over there. Sorry for the jumping. We have the jumping marine right here. We have a nice view, no rain. For those people that see this today, everybody please come to Key Biscayne Beach because it's a nice day. It's a really nice day. And we're about to get on the highest bridge ever. Not the highest bridge ever. Not the highest bridge ever. It is a high bridge. Now we have a nice view of Key Biscayne. It's this Key Biscayne next to us or all around us. Oh, here we are about. Our speed it is 33. We have to go 500 speeds high up. Okay, okay, this is Key Biscayne. And we get really high. Oh my god. Y'all. Look, this is a bridge. This is Key Biscayne Beach. A nice day with a view. Oh, it's got people running.
They're exercising.
What is we have these thingies in the air now, like an air show, I think it is. But is that? This is falling down. This video is sponsored by YouTube.
The water looks good.
I know. The water looks really good here today.
It's choppy. Look at the waves. A lot of waves.
Whoa, look at that boat. You saw the boat? It was going up and down.
Yeah.
I don't know we have rip currents today.
No, it's a lot of wind.
That what color of flag are we in? So yeah guys, please come to Key Biscayne Beach today if you see this video. But I'm just gonna be uploading this video right about now. So thanks for watching.